So you are still using your old and beloved Mavic Air2, but feeling left behind when looking at the new active track features of the DJI Air3? Well, knowing how active track works within the Mavic Air2, you still have some options to achieve cinematic camera movements, and this is what I will demonstrate today. Unfortunately, Active Track 3.0, the version from the Mavic Air2, can only follow from behind or in parallel. What we want to achieve today is how we can use Active Track to move the Mavic Air from the front to the rear, similar to the Active Track 360-degree feature of the newer models. To do this, we take advantage of the way Active Track 3.0 works. No matter where we start, the drone will always try to follow the subject from behind. Therefore, we will first position the drone in front of the car. On the screen, draw a box around the subject and start Active Track. Next, check the height. In my testing, I always had to fly at a minimum of 10 meters. Otherwise, the drone will only keep the subject in focus, but won't follow. With that, you're ready to go. Simply start driving. As soon as the subject passes by, the drone will now move, trying to follow the subject from behind. And now let's have a look how this looks in our video. To make your video even more interesting, let's combine Active Track with Quickshots. Let's take the same starting position. As an alternative, you could also start with a Quickshot and from there do the Active Track as described before. I've chosen Boomerang as a Quickshot, and now let's start. Now putting all pieces together, let's check the final version of our short clip. And if you're interested in how to do the same with the DJI Air3, please let me know in the comments below.